Who you gonna call? Yo, usually when you hear that, you think Ghostbusters, but after today, you're gonna think anybody I want to using the HubSpot CRM or the HubSpot Service Hub. Who you gonna call? You know what time it is.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
That's right, it's your boy Georgie B from Sprocket Talk, aka Impulse Creative, coming to you with another update. HubSpot is just smashing it lately, and now today, probably a couple of days ago anyway, for you, because you're listening to this, you need to know that HubSpot's calling API is now open, and we're featuring in this update also Aircall, which, by the way, if you did not see our Aircall interview before inbound, you need to go and check it out. They dropped a little bit of secret information. Well, here it is, and that is the calling API is out, and Aircall is the first one to use it. So what is it? Well, it's the functionality to allow third-party companies to integrate with the HubSpot communication area that we have, or what we call here at Impulse Creative the lead intelligence area, where you can leave notes, emails, calls. Why does it matter? Look, some third-party companies can give you more data, more features, more ability to leverage those calls that you need to make, and Aircall is one of them, hence why they are the first one in this beta. That's right, I forgot to mention at the beginning, beta calling API program. What I will say is kudos to HubSpot for opening up this API, maybe just building the API, but at the end of the day, giving functionality to partners who will actually be able to make a better calling tool or provide better calling functionality or features. I think this is amazing that HubSpot made this move. Also, you might be wondering, who gets it, George? Well, it is for the Sales Hub Enterprise and Service Hub Enterprise right now. Not sure if that's just because it's in beta or if it's going to be an enterprise feature, but it is a pretty stinking cool feature, especially if you are an Aircall user already, which, by the way, leads me to who gets it. Well, if you're using the Service or Sales Hub Enterprise level and you're an Aircall customer, that's a mouthful. You already have this. Well, maybe you have to hit a link, but then you can get it anyway. Do you like these updates? Hey, we plan on keeping them coming. Make sure you head over to sprockettalk.com/FB. That'll take you right to our private Facebook group where we can carry on the conversation. Also, head over to sprockettalk.com/audio and /video to get right to our podcast so you can educate yourself while on the move. Also, while you're on the interwebs, check out our Facebook page and our YouTube channel where you can hit the bells, the likes, the subscribes, all those things so we know that you're part of the community. Are you calling your customers? Oh my gosh, that's an interesting conversation. If you are, maybe you should use the HubSpot CRM or the service tool, and maybe you should check out this beta calling API and Aircall. I don't know, only you can answer that, but if you do use it and investigate it or call somebody, while you're calling them, make sure you're doing some happy HubSpotting.